I have another tomato ready. Yeah. Look at that. It's got some little spots on it, but yum. Got everything watered this morning. This one has another little tomato right there. And these two, I've counted 4. I can't remember where the other one was. I think that was gonna be one, but I don't think it's gonna be now. That one. So far 3. I don't know. Had a lot of flowers, but they're not doing anything. Had flowers on my jalapenos. I don't see anything happening over here either. Oh, no. Whew. There's some quail out there. Hey, quail. Can't see them for the flowers. There they are. Run. Good morning. Today is hopefully the day, fingers crossed, that I get my stitches out. I don't know why that's so exciting. It's like if they need to be there, they need to be there. I guess getting them out is a sign of progress and healing. So hopefully they come out today. Have one more antibiotic pill. Hopefully that'll be all over with. Hopefully get a good, how do you call it? Good report from the doctor, and all is well and going as he thought it would go. And so going into town this morning, first thing, get that done. Listen to the birds. Yeah. So about to load up in the van and head that way. There's a little bunny. There's a little bunny. Whoa. Bye, bunny. Okay, here we are at the hospital. Hospital. All right, stereo blaring once again. All right, we're out. Stitches are out. Yippee! I'm so excited.
She is celebrating.
Stitches are out. So my bandages are getting smaller and smaller too. So, yay! Hey, RV living with the geezer. They got crazy water here in New Mexico. That's out of Mineral Wells.
Oh, cool.
Texas. 4, and I don't know which one to try, and I've yet to try 2, 4, and I don't know what that one. Oh, they've got probably all of them because there's 4. All right, tell me which one I need to buy. Got some sushi. We're getting a special treat.
Cheese, and she's going to get the crackers, but I don't know what to get. I think I'll go with the smoky bacon.
I'm looking for crackers. $4.79. Yeah. $4.99. Crispy sea salt. Those are good. Olive oil. I like the multigrain. We're trying a new burrito place. Well, Deborah's had it. I haven't had it yet. Chileriano burrito with beans. Yum.
Chileriano burrito with beans?
Yes, their beans are really good.
Yay. And I got chorizo, bean, egg, and cheese. And I ordered, just like I just said it, chorizo, bean, egg, and cheese. And he rang it up as 2 different tacos. He bring it up as chorizo and egg and bean and cheese, 2 different tacos. And Jana caught it. And she goes, that's one burrito. And he's like, oh, so he goes, oh, so chorizo and egg with bean and cheese. He was all poopy about it, but I got it.
Looks good.
Uh-huh.
Well, that was my new favorite. Yeah, that chiloriano burrito had refried beans in it. Homemade tortillas. It's a good thing we don't live in town because I'd be coming here all the time. How's yours? Your mouth's full. Yeah. They have brisket burritos. They have asado burritos. Their beans are just wonderful. And they have all kinds, a whole bunch of burrito types. So I want to come back and try their brisket. They have asado and they have all kinds. So we'll be back. Next time we're in town here, we'll be back. So Sammy got a new bed. Deborah bought her a new bed. So she's getting a little older. She needs a little bit more support. Yeah. It's nice and soft. Let's see if Sammy likes it. She's seen it, but look at your bed. Look at your bed. What do you think about that? Oh, that's nice. Is that nice? Look at Bandit. Bandit's like, hey, is that my bed? What's wrong? You can get a bit in your bed?
You know what? Come here, Sam. Is it too far under there? You want to try it out here?
There.
She says it was a cave. I don't like caves.
Nice.
Is that better on your bones, baby girl?
Say, yeah, I love it.
Say, the casita has a hard floor.
Yeah, you got your new bed.
She says, I'm used to a bed. I lay on the bed in the camper all the time. I needed a bed here, too.
Good girl. She said, it's a big bed. Bandit, you want to lay in the bed with her?
She's like, heck no.
Like, nope. Cool. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, the edges are done. Deborah found the missing link.
Yeah, we had a couple of pieces together that didn't go together and switched that around, and there was one missing piece.
All right.
So
Now we're well on our way.
we're on our way.
Oh, it's pretty. It's getting there. It's getting there. Won't take long now.
It is fun. It's been a fun puzzle.
Yeah.
Oh,
Getting close.
getting down to the nitty gritty.
Yep. Getting close.
So we've just about finished, and we have decided to do every other one. And so this one goes here. And oops, no it doesn't. I can do puzzles and shoot video. And voila!
Voila.
Voila.
Done.
We are done. Woohoo!
Isn't it pretty?